Hi guys, hi friends and family. Welcome back to Good Eat. Today I'm going to make some spice. This is the end of the year. I always make my spice for at least 6 months or a year, up to a year. And this is what I use to make my spice. Alright guys, friends, let me take you in my kitchen. This is the ingredient I use to make my spice. I have cilantro right here. I have green onion. I think I have like a dozen of green onion. And I have right here celery. I have some dry pepper, a lot of green onions, and look at those ingredients right there. This is a Maggi Polo, and this gloves, and I got some turmeric, and I have some right here spicy brown mustard, honey mustard, Dijon mustard, the regular mustard, and all goes on. This is some cumin and paprika, some salt, and some garlic. I'm gonna use 2 different garlic, that raw garlic, and I have some thyme, fresh thyme from the garden, guys, right here. This is the blender I'm gonna use to make my spice. And I got myself, I think it's like a 20 pounds of garlic, peeled garlic. This is pepper, who came from my freezer right here. And this is the drawer. Those are a gallon of drawer or half gallon of drawer right here. And I got some over here, over there. I have some onion. And then I have this oregano from my garden also. I just get them from the garden right here. And also I'm gonna put the link of my garden and you guys can go over there and support me. Those are the herbs from the garden. And I got all those chili powder, paprika, dry pepper over there. And I got some Maggi and I have some ranch. And I'm gonna put all those things together, guys, and I'm gonna blend them. And I'm gonna put some pepper, pre-made pepper I have in my fridge. Those are the one. I'm gonna make all of them together to make my spice. Take a look again. It's almost time for Thanksgiving. I'm getting myself ready. Alright guys, see you in a few. Let me go chop my garlic and my green onion. And then I'm gonna go back to show you guys how I'm gonna put them on the blender. Cilantro, I got parsley, dry parsley over here. This is the pre-made pepper. You guys know that pepper already. I think this pepper been up like 2 years or if not more. Because every time I add like more vinegar, more sour orange or lemon on it, it's making it fresh, brand new. Alright guys, I will see you in a few. I already washed some parsley and cilantro, and I cut the green onion. Those green onion, I'm gonna plant them to the garden. And this is the celery out. Green pepper, which is I have a full bag over there. I'm gonna make them portion by portion. Right here. And this is my blender. I have some mixed garlic, the peeled one and the unpeeled garlic on the blender. Right here. Hi friends. Alright, I'm just done with the spice and cleaning the kitchen, putting everything away. Everything it's done now. And then this is the result of the spice. Those are the leftover of the green onion right here. Those are going to be some new green onion for a lot of, I don't know, months or years. And this is the rest of everything. Oil. I use some corn oil to make the spice. Everything again right here. Everything again. And I make myself 2 for 6 spice. And this is the pepper. I just, like I said, I just add more vinegar and more, a little bit of spice to make that pepper fresh. See? I need to clean over here. But this is everything. Result, garlic. I'm going to put that garlic back in the freezer. And let me test the spice. Forgot to clean this one. Guys, this spice, you can eat it with noodles, with everything, you know. You put it in your meat, you cook with it, you can eat it like this. It's a lot of celery, a lot of onion, green onion, parsley, everything. Thyme, garlic, you name it. It's really good, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.